Is this like super cute or what the hell? And then this is open. Super in love. So I already have one down. I'm going to do the other one and show you guys how I created this little eye look. So first off, I'm gonna go with Luna, which is the lightest tone, all over my eye. Twice. So it'll be really nice and light. Can you guys see this right? Let me close you up. There you go. Nice. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. Now I'm gonna go with this cutesy little brush here. This is from the, I think this is from the Heat palette, from the Urban Decay. So I'm gonna go in with the first color. It's gonna be, oh my god, which one was it? Lola. Lola, like my kitty. Okay. So I'm gonna go in the crease with the Lola. Just draw a line back and forth, back and forth. Then with the other side of the brush, I'm gonna go into Malbec, which is this one, and Sangria, which is delicious. Into both of those, and I'm gonna start them right beneath that Lola line that I created. Gonna go back with some more of that and pack it on all over this area. Don't worry about that little light line here, it doesn't matter. Okay, now we're gonna go with the, this is such an old MAC brush. I don't even know what number or what it is, but it's a blending brush. I think it was the 117 MAC brush. I don't know. But we're gonna go in with Celosa. Damn, I can't really see because it's such a close-up. This. Yeah, I can't even see. I'm a mess right now. I was not thinking about making a video because I've been so busy meal prepping. Anyways, now I'm gonna go to Patrona, which is this cute goldy rose, reddish rose gold, whatever, and take that in from here and blend it down. Take it up. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm gonna grab a flat brush, which is this one, and I'm gonna grab the Corona, which is this gold tone. If I didn't have nails, I would just do this with my fingers, but my nails get in the way, so I'm just gonna like apply it to the flat side of the brush and dab it here little by little so it stays. It's okay if it gets too much on this side because we're gonna blend the red back out to the front. Like now. So I'm gonna grab Sangria again, which is this red tone, and I am going to put it in here and blend the red back in. There you go. So last but not least, this blending brush is gonna apply Malbec and Sangria on the bottom. Now we're gonna do our eyeliner. That's my washing machine letting me know it's ready to be transferred to the dryer. I don't know if you guys heard that little song that my washing machine makes. Can you guys see properly? I think so. Okay. Then we're gonna finish this side. And then we're gonna apply the mascara. So that is done for now. So now I'm gonna grab, hold up, my Hoola bronzer, which came in this cute little set that was like with a mascara, the one you just saw me applying, and I think it was a primer. So it was only $15, so I love it. I usually apply this only like on this area. I don't like to contour much. And then I'm gonna apply, this is my super favorite. I love it. Okay. And then blend those two together. It's important to make the face, or else you don't get the right place. And last but not least, I'm gonna use one of these. Isn't this Becky G the cutest collection ever? I don't know which one I want to use. Which one? I'm gonna use, let's see, let's open it first. I'm gonna use this one, which is the color Secreto. So it's this nice. Well, I'm gonna show you guys all of them again, but I'm using this one. So let me grab that little mirror again. Let's see how this is. It's like a nice dark chocolatey tone. Like a mauve chocolate. It's really nice. I like it when I could apply it without lip liner because it defines your lips perfectly. And there you have it, you guys. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and a thumbs up. It's the same thing, right? Like and thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, which is going to let me know that you like it. And let me know if you guys want to see me create some other kind of look. Maybe, I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think. This was like an out of the blue type of tutorial, so bear with me if it was a mess, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it anyways. Talk to you soon.